MIT has been one of the major players, and I think world leaders in robotics research for years. Started sometime in the 1960s. We have long period of successful research. We feel that the MIT's effort alone is not actually good enough, and we should be connected. We should create the new ecosystems in which all the academia, the industries, and then the government sector should work together. At this time, we form a team with Carnegie Mellon University, where they have world-class big robotics institute there. The Georgia Tech is very active, and Texas A&M, they're also expanding their robotics program. And we have access to many major players in the manufacturing industries. So this is a great time to put them together. In addition, Boston is a center of robotics industries. And then local government, state of Massachusetts are all very much supporting this. So this will be an exciting time and an exciting opportunity for us to create the nationwide network. And such networks is to let us communicate, disseminate all the technologies, invite the people from both large companies and small companies, providing all opportunities to work together. Small companies in particular, they can use this as a major opportunities for being connected to big corporate Americas. At the same time, learning some trends and needs from there. They can show off, they can present their technologies in our center, in the context of their interest. And then maybe they can test out whether their technologies is good enough to solve some of the problems which are hard to conquer. So in many ways, this network will be a major vehicle to promote the manufacturing robotics in a large scale. In this program, we try to engage many small to medium-sized enterprises. And I know that how those companies are struggling in the manufacturing. Imagine that you have to make the first 100 prototypes. Okay, it's great if you can just make it internally or some nearby regions. You get the very quick feedback. Also, it's great if you can actually scale up the manufacturing level from, say, as I said, 100 to 10,000 seamlessly. That's also great. These are things that we aim to accomplish, and this is something, a game changer in the manufacturing in the landscape in this country. So we're very lucky to form a big team. The Carnegie Mellon University. Everyone knows that the CMU's Robotics Institute has been the center of robotics research. And the Georgia Tech, they have a very expansive manufacturing program, institute-wide program. Also, I would say Texas A&M has been the key station in the Texas area, and then they have a strong connection to many industries, including the aerostro. And in California, Berkeley, and then USC are major players in the regional hub in the California areas. So I think this is a really dream team, and I can imagine any better teams that have done this. And then this is to sweep out the whole major players, being the major contributors to manufacturing robotics for years. Now this NNMY allows us to form a big team. We never worked together at this scale. Now it is possible.